Funde isiXhosa no-Under Penguin neetshomi zakhe.
Igadi kamakhulu ineentyatyambo. Granny's garden has flowers. Umbala wazo upinki. Their color is pink. Zintle, zinuka kamnandi. They are beautiful and they smell nice. Zihombisa umphandle wendlu kamakhulu. They decorate the outside of Granny's house. Pinky, pink. Zipinki, they are pink.
Ze niphinde nibuye nizokuqhubeka ufunda isiXhosa no-Under Penguin neetshomi zakhe. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye!